Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Shorbat Fasoulia, which is green bean stew. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the green bean stew. You'll need 4 cups of cut green beans, half a kilo of stewing beef, some boiling water, 2 cups of diced tomatoes, 156 ml can of tomato paste, 1 diced onion, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. And this is how your green bean stew should look like. Serve it on a bed of white rice and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Now let's give it a go. The flavors of the curry, the tomato, green beans, can't go wrong. Happy cooking, everyone!